On tonight's episode of Dr. Bone Daddy, we present Creepy Ring Video Doorbell Clips Volume 2. Welcome back to our Creepy Ring Video Doorbell Camera series. Make sure to watch the whole video since you don't want to miss out on some of these terrifying clips we're about to show you. In this clip, we see a lost woman who has no business at the resident's house. It looks like the woman is wearing a wig. The woman looks around and appears to put something suspicious on or near the car. I assume this is a trackable AirTag. Fortunately, the resident has seen the incident and politely asks the woman to stay away from his car.
Yo, what you doing there?
What in the Tina Turner is going on? Looks like the woman is having a bad hair day, and it's not just because of the wig.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Nani? Get lost.
Can I help you?
How you doing?
This smooth operator is looking for a woman who drives a Jeep. Just imagine you're sitting on the couch after a long day at work, and a stranger like this one pops up on your front door. Yikes.
Good. Who are you?
Kingsley.
Who are you looking for?
I don't. Are you the one that drive the Jeep?
Who are you looking for?
The pretty young lady that drive the Jeep.
Doesn't live here.
Doesn't live here.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this guy's pickup lines? This man indicates that he's looking for his grandmother. Yeah, right.
What you looking for?
Trying to see if my grandma's still here.
Stop fooling around, bro. The man in the video apparently thinks that this is the most normal thing in the world to just walk into a stranger's house.
What the hell? Who are you? Dad? Dad?
I'm in the program. I got blood all over my shirt, so I can throw away.
It's also wise to close your doors during the middle of the day.
Walk to that fucking house.
Yes.
What do you want the program? What fucking program? Fuck out of here.
I cut my hair.
Okay, turn around and get the fuck out of my house.
Fortunately, the woman was not home alone, and the man in the house was able to send the stranger packing.
Just walk in motherfucker's house, you're gonna get shot.
Fuck out of here.
Well, that stranger certainly got a rude awakening. Be prepared and close your doors and windows.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Incidentally, it was smart of the resident to also install a camera at the window. Get out, you have no business here. The three suspicious boys hope for an easy score when a loud scream is heard out of nowhere. I'd be running too, boys, after hearing that noise. Seems Bill Cosby's been keeping busy with other things these days.
Hi. We'll be right there.
Disappointing. This aggressive man does not like it when the door is kept closed.
Damn it, you better open this fucking door or I'm gonna bust this shit down.
You can't say that the man in question didn't warn you.
Alright, fuck it.
He'll twerk you into submission.
I fucking warned you.
In this video, we see mysterious activities. The cat notices something strange about the chair. Honey, let's move. In the next video, we see a man talking to himself that is most likely looking for packages. When he sees the camera, he quickly disappears. Busted. In this clip, we see a rather vague woman. The female resident indicates that she was watching a movie with her boyfriend when she saw the woman appear at her door. The resident indicates that she does not know the woman in the video. Well, that's one way to meet a new friend. The woman in this video says she's been locked out of her house and asks if she can use the resident's phone. As annoying as it is, never open up your door to strangers.
Who is it?
Oh, it's the neighbor down 2 houses.
Okay, what you need?
I got locked out my house. I was trying to see if you got a phone I can use or something.
No, I ain't got no phone you can use, baby.
Always be prepared for the unknown, like a surprise visit from a stranger asking to use your phone. In this video, we see a masked man unknown to the residents. The homeowner received a notification that motion had been detected on his porch. The masked man covers up the camera. For what purpose? Who knows, but super creepy. I guess the masked man was a master of disappearing acts after all. I don't think this friendly masked man is here to borrow a cup of sugar. The man seems to have a grudge against this homeowner's camera. Looks like he came for a cup of surveillance. There's only one thing that's even scarier than that story. That would be not watching another video like this one.